Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about cutting-edge computing, Apple's Silicon Revolution, or just want to see the future of desktop performance packed into a tiny box, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the Apple Mac Mini M5 and M5 Pro machines that are changing the game. For compact computing in 2025, we'll explore the full introduction, key specifications, the top 10 groundbreaking features, potential release dates, pricing predictions, and who these Macs are actually built for. Introduction: Apple's Mac Mini has always been one of the most underrated yet powerful tools in the Mac ecosystem. It combines minimalist design, raw power, and cost-effectiveness in a form factor that fits in your hand. In 2025, Apple is pushing the envelope again with the launch of the Mac Mini M5 and the Mac Mini M5 Pro devices powered by Apple's new M5 chip lineup based on a highly efficient and powerful 3nm architecture. The Mac Mini M5 is designed for everyday power users, content creators, and developers who want incredible speed in a small footprint. The Mac Mini M5 Pro, on the other hand, is a professional-grade machine targeted at software engineers, AI researchers, 3D animators, and power-hungry multitaskers. These new devices don't just represent incremental upgrades, they bring the power of full-blown workstations into a chassis the size of a lunchbox. Specifications: Mac Mini M5 chipset, Apple M5 SoC CPU, 18-core CPU, 12 performance plus 6 efficiency GPU, up to 40-core Apple GPU Neural Engine, 64-core Neural Engine ARM, configurable up to 128GB unified memory storage, up to 8TB SSD connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, BLUETOOTH, 5.4 ports for X Thunderbolt 5, 1x HDMI 2.2, 1x Ethernet, 2x USB, headphone jack, OS macOS Sequoia. Mac Mini M5 Pro chipset, Apple M5 Pro SoC CPU, 24-core CPU, 16 performance plus 8 efficiency vGPU, up to 64-core Apple GPU Neural Engine, 96-core Neural Engine RAM, configurable up to 192GB unified memory storage, up to 12TB SSD BCONNECTIVITY, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 ports, 6x Thunderbolt 5, dual HDMI, Ethernet, 2x USB, SD card reader, OS macOS Sequoia. Top 10 features: 1. 3nm Apple Silicon architecture, better thermal efficiency and performance per watt. 2. Massive multi-core CPU performance, up to 24 cores for pro-level tasks. 3. Workstation-level GPU handles 8K editing, 3D rendering, and high-end gaming. 4. Advanced neural engines ideal for on-device AI and ML processing. 5. Unified memory architecture, UMA, up to 192GB of lightning-fast shared memory. 6. Thunderbolt 5 support for 8K monitors and ultrafast external devices. 7. Native AI and ML workflows, no cloud needed, models run locally. 8. Whisper quiet thermal design, silent performance, even at full load. 9. macOS Sequoia optimization, AI first features, smarter multitasking. 10. Small size, big power, Mac Studio level power in a mini form, real-world use cases, developers, faster compilation, vMIS, Docker, ML model training. Content creators, high-performance editing, audio mastering, rendering, gamers, smooth for KAA gaming with native controller support. AI engineers and researchers, train, test models without cloud or NVIDIA GPUs. General users and students, smooth multitasking, future-proofing. Benchmarks and performance predictions: Mac Mini M5 versus M.2.5x CPU boost, 3.2x GPU improvement for X. Neural Engine performance, 80% faster compile times. Mac Mini M5 Pro versus M2 Pro, 3x better 3D performance to 0.5x audio processing, 40% improved. Multitasking. These numbers suggest the M5 Pro may rival the Mac Studio M2 Ultra in a smaller shell. Release date, predicted timeline, announcement, October 2025. Apple event pre-orders, same-day shipping, late October to early November 2025. Price: Mac Mini M5 base, $799, 18GB RAM, 512GB SSD mid, $1,099, 36GB RAM, 1TB SSD max, $1,499, 128GB RAM, 8TB SSD. Mac Mini M5 Pro base, $1. $399 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD mid $1,899 64GB RAM, 2TB SSD max, $2,799 plus 192GB RAM, 1TB SSD. Final verdict: if you want high performance in a tiny form AI and creative workstation energy efficiency and silent performance, then the Mac Mini M5 lineup is the ultimate choice. From students to professionals, these devices bring workstation power to the masses. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth Apple news and reviews. Comment below, which Mac Mini are you getting, the M5 or the M5 Pro? Stay tuned for benchmarks, comparisons, and more. See you in the next one.